Alright, let me show you how to get your music to iTunes right now. I'm doing power moves. We're doing power. So you ever wondered how to get your single or album available as a download on iTunes? Let me show it to you real quick. It's just simple steps. We're gonna do that with TuneCore. Why TuneCore? Because TuneCore is the leading music distributor there is. What? Yes, right. You need to distribute your music. You need to release your music, and that's what we're gonna do right now. Let me show you. So the first thing you do is choose your song title. Type in your song title. Do you have explicit lyrics or not? Yes, I do. In this case, here you can choose your song, your artist name, and if you have a featured artist, you can add featured artists, which language, what genre you have. If you have a release date, make sure you have 4 weeks in advance at least, in order to give the stores time to review the release. And yeah, you fill everything out what you need here. You can look into this in no time. Okay, now here we are at the step where you can see the stores. So what you're going to do is check all stores and pay attention. You want to have your release, your single or album, whatever, on iTunes, right? So you click either here for all stores, or you make sure that you click here and you have your music in your preferred store, iTunes. That's it. And then press save. Yeah, all the song info that you have, you provide. So now you want to upload your song, but before you do, make sure your song has the 16-bit wave. But if you have your song properly mixed and mastered, it's already set for this. So upload your song. So let's pretend my song is uploaded now and I have already made my artwork, or uploaded my artwork, which you can do here. Make sure it's JPEG or PNG, all good. Okay, so the last thing will happen. Everything should be checked on your end. The last thing what will happen is gonna take you to a checkout, and after everything is set up, you paid everything, and you're gonna be notified as soon as your music is available. That's it. That's all you have to do. So, and this is how it looks when everything is done. My artwork is here, my stores are selected, and everything is cleared. And the song is live. You can listen to it now. Click the link in the description. The special opportunity waits for you, a special discount provided by TuneCore. And that's basically how you're gonna have your own music available on iTunes. So if you enjoyed this, keep a like or subscribe. And yeah, check out the other videos. And yeah, I'm gonna have some more videos coming soon. So stay tuned and keep it locked. Peace. I'm out.